What's going on? Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to do this quick video on how to make a signature watermark brush. That way you can just go to your brush settings and then just click on it and then just stamp your photos before you send them out to your clients to have them view it or use it for whatever you want. We're going to do this in Photoshop. So if you have Photoshop and you're looking on how to create a quick watermark for your photos or for whatever, this is the video right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to start this right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to open up a new blank page here. So basically you can just pick anything you want from here. Just go whatever. Arts illustration, 20 by 20, sure. Name it. You name it if you want. Let's name it Watermark. Okay. And then we'll just create this new blank page. I'm going to minimize this up a bit. To make your page bigger or smaller, there's a shortcut key on your keyboard. It's just hold down Control and push the arrow up, or the plus sign, sorry, or the minus sign, and it'll just enlarge in or make your page smaller or bigger. Just make it a little smaller so we can see. So what we'll do is we'll go to the text, create a box for the text. Now make sure your color is on black or whatever color you want it to be. Sometimes it's set on white default, so sometimes when you try to type in here you don't see anything. The reason for that is because this is on white, so just make sure it's on black or any other color than white. That way you don't get confused. So we're going to just delete that, and then we'll just call this watermark. Okay, so we're going to create this so you can just set it as a brush, so you can just stamp it on your photos anytime. Okay, you can change the font anywhere there, like that, and then you can always change it to whatever you want. Let's just go whatever. Okay, this is just to show you how to do it. So we have our watermark here. It could be your business name, anything you want. So this is what it is. Once you're good, click the check mark. You can turn this on or off. That's what makes it transparent. Just keep it off here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to File, or not File, sorry, Edit, and then we're going to define brush preset. So we're going to turn this into a brush. So we're going to call this brush watermark, or you can call it whatever you want, and then we're going to click OK. So I have my brush settings here and this shortcut menu, so I can just click on these and it'll just open up. This double brush goes to the brushes, goes right to it, and your other brushes you have in here. Or if you don't have this shortcut bar up here, all you gotta do is go to Windows, look for the brushes and brush settings, just make sure those are check marked, and then it'll just pop up in here. The other way to do it manually is over here. You'll see your brushes here. Okay, it'll be all the way in the bottom where it says specialty effect brushes. As will be specialty effect brushes. So now we made this watermark, and that's the one here. I have a few other ones, but this is the one we just created. Okay, so on yours you won't have these. You'll have this one or whatever you named it. So what we'll do is I'll just go to a different image here, and then let's just say this brush was on this setting here. Okay, so like I said, just go to your brush, go all the way down to where it says specialty effects brush. If it's closed, just open it and go down, and you'll find your watermark on the bottom. Bring it over. Over here you can set whatever color you want your watermark to be. So let's just say it's red here, so let's try to make it green. Okay, click on it. There's your watermark right there. There's a couple other ones I made. Oh, let's go back here. So we'll go to our brushes. You can basically set these brushes for whatever. Like I have one here. It's kind of my logo, so I kind of just stamp it wherever. It's a little Christmassy, so let's go green. And you know, so you're trying to play around, create magazines or whatever, you can do that. I have some of these. Right. those. If you don't like the fonts that come with for your watermark, I do have some of these ones. I got like this one here, that one, and this one. I got it from a website. It's a website where you can get free fonts. You just download it, and then when you download it, it'll go right into your Photoshop brush settings. It'll just be in here, and then you can just use those. And I mean, sorry, in your text fonts. If you go to text and the fonts here, like this font right here, this signature cinematic font here, this one, I got that from the website. The website's called thefont.com. And then you can just go there, download a whole bunch of different fonts. Like right here, it's thefont.com. So this is the website. Like you can pick any type in. You can even type what you want. Say for example, like photography logo, right? And you can check. Push enter. And you can see all these different fonts. I like the ones over here. What is it? This. Which one is it? The calligraphy. Yeah, the handwriting. There's a lot of cool ones here. Look at that. They got pages and pages. You can go on forever, but that's just the site there. If you need other fonts opposed to the ones that are the default ones in Adobe. But all that you can play by yourself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I hope this helped. I hope this helps you create a watermark for your photography. There you go. My main one right here. Create that in Photoshop too. Once you get better, you can create these little things. They're cool. But hope you guys enjoy this, and see you in the next one. Stay warm.